Yeah, hi guys, good evening. Once again, I know it's really night, but I want to do this video to reply German African First Lady for what she's claiming that maybe I was lying or she was the one telling the truth. But wait till I want me when I know if you date European, you won't travel to Africa or Asia country or even European country, you need to buy a ticket and you don't know the procedure, how you're gonna buy the ticket. The best place for you is JQ Travel and Hotels and it's located in German Saarbrücken. Later we will talk about it, but let's move on the main issue that the reason why we are here. German First Lady, you say I be born through way, but I tell you one thing, who be orphan, he get the right to contribute waiting they happen for the country where they if people they lie for this world, who even be orphan or whoever you are, whether you be crippled, deaf or dumb, as you be woman being, you feel contribute for anything where they talk. You know me say you reach before if they talk something you can share your side of view or your idea. You have the right to share your side of view. So even though I be born through way, my mama na prostitute, my papa na this, it doesn't mean as they don't born me where I don't go school, I don't learn, I know about something. So if they lie for your viewers, especially you German Africa First Lady, you talk in your first video, say Italy don't bring new law, they collect people documents. Now I do video about say you with Mama Gladys waiting when they talk na lie. Now you delay that video, you go do new video, they retalk again, they claim say maybe no be so you talk, but people don't already watch that video. Many people don't watch am. When are you talking say na new law, but waiting I want make you know say I know the laws and I'm telling you the laws and I'm telling you the facts. Una na hookups una they do. Me una just they concentrate on that life wey una they live. Me una live the Italian law. No be say una go talk one law, person go panic or person go frustrate for waiting una they talk. These Salvini laws of humanitarian. Small pikin wey dey 3 years, 5 years for Italy know say since 2018, when Salvini starts in June 2018 as Interior Minister and Deputy Prime Minister, now Salvini put law say humanitarian he no want time again. Now he can't bring paper where they call a Casi Speciale to replace the humanitarian. Now he cancel the humanitarian where everybody know. He put law, he say you where you get humanitarian, may you get contracts. With your contract, you go fit convert your document to working permits, carta lavoro or permesso de lavoro. It talk and that paper will be 1 year for you. So if you not get work in Torino where I dey live, Questura of Torino, I know people where they not get work, they go as they will put them for renew. The paper come out as 1 year document. So on, you go, they go tell you say you not get contract, so your paper it don't die. We know that law sense. So people where they I don't know whether na Napoli. Nobody know wetin they do. Now I make Questura write letter give them say they don't revoke their document, they don't collect their document for their hand. My dear, so if you hear that news for social media or Facebook, no come do video, you German Africa First Lady, no do video saying a new law where they bring, say that they collect everybody paper, even though you get political asilo. Na lie. Now make a correct you say na lie. They not talk say na political asilo. Waiting the woman talk, he say na humanitarian where I know. This your recent video where you do 7 hours ago. You can't they call one girl say me you can't explain. You German African First Lady, if you yourself you they think, cause me I know say they not train you home. Na road you waka take grown up, they not train you home. Because if they train you home, you know go insult person mama, you know go insult who fi born you. Cause you say you're picky with me na age mates. You go fit fuck born my age. You know go be, you know go be. It's impossible. It can't be possible. You know fit born me, ma tell you. I be 29 years old and you know fit born me. Sure you understand? So the reality now I tell you as I do the video, I know you insult your papa, I know you insult your mama. So you say if you get sense to address issue on social media, you face me, not facing my family, my generation or wherever. Anybody where they watch German First Lady with this Mama Gladys their video, if you say you think far, you know how rude they are. How rude they are. Shebi don't understand, because you go call let one person call you say I'm in Italy and the woman said it's humanitarian. Why your first video you not talk saying a humanitarian? Your first video you say they say Italy don't bring law, they collect everybody paper. Who don't watch that? Your first video where you do I think 2 days or 3 days ago you with Mama Gladys, that video where una do not be so una talk. Una say even who gets asilo politico they go collect in paper. Matter una now una enemy paper they won't collect. Now una children where una unborn paper no be we. No be we where we they suffer. Now you Mama Gladys constant for social media. Una they call say Nigeria people, na mumu people, na useless people, Nigeria guys na thief. They be this, they be that. But una go come out say una won't do video say about law. Which law you know? And you the what be name? German African lady. That name self I don't want just to hear because that name that you they claim person name. As you go the court, you be like say your eye never clear. You be like say your the court where you go, you can't turn your brain. Una know they lie. Una know they can't bring news because say una get 3 billion views, 3 million views. Bruno Mars of America self day. Now they do video within 3 months he go hit 1 billion views, 2 billion views. No be this one at 3k why they see for on social media. Because of that, when I go the user they make noise say social media now on our own. And even if una they think far, una they think about the youth, no be lie, no be una personal interest they worry una. As una get more than that millions of views where una they talk, may una educate the youth to know good thing, not be by to do hookups on social media, to break people marriage because una won't use them for una yeye hookup, una personal interest. Una go they destroy people marriage. You know, say as they do video, una they talk say it's like somebody have paid him for him to do the video and talk about us. Hey, you want to get fame? What a fucking fame I need from you guys. What a fucking fame I need. If I need fame now, una no be my age mate, una no be my size, I no fit imitate una for anything. I just they address the fake news when una say that they do law to collect paper. The person where they collect in paper may go find the sources, the reason, the purpose why they collected the paper from his hand. Mo una no come they say na new law. Savini law don't pass, it dey sense. So if new law come, meaning say na the new interior minister, where they call him Luciana Lermogese, the woman will come as a replacement of Savini. If new law won't come, na him go bring new law. So if any new law come, it affect your documents. My brother, no go blame Savini as this illiterate women they social media they talk say na Savini law na say maybe they collect people paper. Savini put the law and every country you that German where you there because the Dutch self you know if you go to school your husband self you go write driving school exam you fail no be bicycle you buy say more they use and they live life. Una know they learn the Dutch you know they hear self. Because if you know the law of the German way you do, you know go come. They say in Italy laws you they do. Italy now they say Italy no good, Italy no good. But now Italy don't make you the Africa German lady where you did. You did they cost me. I don't want to insult you because you be woman. I respect woman. If not, I for tell you say go naked yourself. May you stand in front of mirror. May you look yourself up to down. You know, if you look yourself up to down, you don't go insult my mama or my papa because I'm telling you the reality and the fact. Because if you they want, now make they tell now me, I know they do video for my own personal interest though. Now make they show my guys say, if you want listing news, no be all these people their news. Sit down for your phone, search Al Jazeera. You go come on your YouTube, watch and you go hear news in English they speak. Search CNN, search Sky News, search France 24. You go come, you go listing news. No be all this Mama Gladys where they work for their personal interest. No be all these people. More una they forget of the day they say German first lady. Which law una know? When I go carry one paper come say na new law. Where the law dey? Who proved the law? Which month? No way Savini person wey don come out. Okay, as good luck come, where good luck come out so. Maybe the constitution, they can't do review of constitution. They can't changes on law for good luck time. Say maybe if you kill person, maybe they kill you. Now, the regime of Buhari, person can't wrong. they kill am. You go come social media say Nigeria new law don come. Say if you kill person, may they kill you. Where the law e come good like Jonathan time. Now na Buhari day. You go come say that law na new law because you know they read. Because you know they read, you go know say the constitution e dey sense. The law they make and they did the amendment of the law sense. Because Italy to prove any law, they go to parliament, they go debate about the law before they go prove am, before Italian president go sign am, before you go come be law. They know they get up, they go social media say they don't bring law. If they go press conference, go talk to the press, to the media, say maybe now this law now we won't bring. The law, so it go to parliament, they go debate, prove it never be law. So if you go anyhow social media, say Google, go search any thing, you know, go better platform, go search thing, do good research. Go listen to anyhow social media, say you don't subscribe to Italian network. Get out for there. Say Italian network. All these guys where una they call, no people with they this Italy. Which Italy they speak? They go call say the guys have as you talk, you know hear what he tell you. He say may you ask. May you ask the people where they collect their documents, waiting they do. They go put their hand for bad thing, they go revoke their documents. So now no go talk say na bad thing we do sense. Now make the question that don't carry our documents. So now go come bring us say na new law. Now go they social media. Where the new law they? You go do your criminal issue, they revoke your document for your hand, you go say new law. You who don't know since 2018 say humanitarian no they exist. Who don't know? Who don't know say humanitarian you must use and work before you go renew one? Who use Kazi Speciale? Only person will get Kazi Speciale. Where if you go feel renew with that work, now person will get maybe problem, maybe he dey sick, he get one serious sickness on her. Doctor don't prove say he no fit work. Now only that people or old person we don't reach on age from 80 years going, when no fit work, now you go renew in Kazi Speciale or humanitarian without a working contract. So if you no go work as a youth, they revoke your documents. More na not consider for social media say na new law. Because all these lawyers where they street, where they make mouth say na lawyers. You as he stand there talk, which Italian news you see say he carry that this thing. Say they go Piazza waiting, go do another protest. May they go Nigeria, go do protest, or may they call your social media, come do protest. Europe, they know they pay lawyer money. Italy, they know they pay lawyer money before you go. Government, now they pay lawyer. Because of our character, now we by ourselves, we go carry roadside lawyers. They will come, they do social media, say na lawyer. Which lawyers? Say the woman and lawyer. In tell you say in a lawyer. Wait till they worry now. You go stand on social media, they talk rubbish. Say na born through way. You self, you know be born through way. Tell your people which age you take on Europe. If you get good family, good parents, you go come stay Europe. They do a shower retire prostitute. You they say you they insult people, mama. Your head not correct. More na they read the real laws. More na not on social media they lie because they wanna get views. Wanna go they destroy people marriage because they wanna get views. More na they collect views money they chop for social media. Because of una bad mind, una think say maybe the video where they do, they don't pay me, person don't give me. I don't get a fucking shit time for collecting money from someone before I come social media to talk the truth. Because I love my people and every time what I know is the truth, that's what I'm gonna tell them. Ma let you know, I'm not telling you say I be Nigeria. I dey speak the PG and I'm learning it. And I'm proud to learn it. I'm not telling you say I be Nigeria. I not hide my identity. Wait till they worry you. When I go to those social media and people marriage when they destroy. So they go call, they do your call, they destroy people marriage. For them to sit down, look inside the issue, settle the issue. When I go to destroy, if they want to tell the truth, when I go to say the person they pay and make come insult us, I'm telling you the truth and I'm not insulting you. Because your viewers, if they reason, if they write comments for on a live video, see your words where they talk to them. See insult where una they give una viewers if una they do live video. If person call say he won't show his mind because say the mind, the side of view where he won't bring, he not talk, they support you. When I go they insult them, they swear for their generation. God they look una. The social media una come meet and una go come out live. Una go dey use her dey knack chest. Una no be anything. Na God pass una. Na God na pass una. That la life for loss. Mo una stop. Mo una dey concentrate on that una hookups or with those marriage wey una dey break. People wey dey not get head, they go come dey give their marriage issue to una. Say me una come dey use and dey talk on social media. Cause I dey see say who be responsible. You no go carry marriage come social media. You no fit settle your home. You can't say you na a marriage counselors. Una go dey social media, they do marriage counselors, they spoil people marriage. They say they do una business. No una they use them for hookups, they collect money. God go judge you now. Please, as I've said it already, subscribe and share the video. Drop your comments on the comment button if you love this video. If you hate it, you can still drop your comments, because here we are here learning. You can bring your side of view. As I told you before, if you're in Europe, you want to travel to Africa or Asia, Canada, America, or wherever, you want to buy a ticket, but it's like you are thinking, it's stressing you, you don't know the procedure, how you're going to buy your ticket. The best place is JQ Travel and Hotels, and it's located in Saarbrücken, and it's registered company. So you can buy your ticket through JQ Travels and Hotels. And the number, if you're in Italy or Germany, you can call 3510-851685. And if you are outside Italy, you will just join the Italian code +393 510 851685. JQ is the best place, and you can download our application on your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. That's jqwaves.com. Just search it on your Google Play Store, on the app Play Store. If you search on your Google, you can find it, jqwaves.com. You will get radio station, TV station, wherever you get it, and watch it there. And that place is a good news and good information. You will get it here, you will get it there. And also you can get laws about Germany, new laws about Germany, because you know say the Dutch, that one, you know they feed the duplicator, so you know they feed German first lady, you know they feed the do law about Germany. But the best place where you go hear German laws, where no be fake laws, then be JQ TV and jqwaves.com. Download the application, and if you're in Germany, you will get the good news from JQ TV. Thanks for sharing this video. You are blessed.